Life Full and Frugal is a lifestyle blog written by three sisters. Although this lifestyle was birthed out of a place of necessity, it's now something that brings us so much joy, and we want to share it. This life is not about living cheaply, but planning, saving, and searching for quality, or even making your own. Making your own space in your home beautiful, making healthier food, healthier products for the home, and a healthier life, all while saving money.
So on the blog, you'll find inspiration for home decor and DIY projects, recipes for tasty and nutritious meals, along with foods that promote health naturally, like kombucha and sourdough bread. We share about life, beauty, travel, gardening, all things to enrich our lives while staying on a budget.
Please check us out on our website, join our email list, find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. We would love to have you.